We do not fully know what is happening right now, but sales of the Tesla Model Y and Tesla Model 3 in the United States are suddenly rising at a fast pace. A big part of this seems to be that many people are still not aware that Tesla's most affordable car, the Tesla Model 2, is preparing to launch this November and will be far cheaper than both the Model Y and the Model 3. The base version of the Tesla Model 2 is expected to start at only $15,990. At the same time, most buyers are only thinking about the fact that the $7,500 federal tax credit is ending next month. For many people, that means if they do not order a Model Y soon, they will have to pay $7,500 more. This could explain why so many customers are rushing to buy both the Tesla Model Y and the Tesla Model 3 right now. But there are still thousands, or even millions, of buyers who are patiently waiting for the Tesla Model 2. They believe it will not be much different from the Model Y, yet it will cost about half the price. In fact, some online comments are already asking why they should spend $40,000 to $50,000 for a Tesla Model Y when Tesla will soon offer a vehicle very similar for just $16,000. Here is where the choice becomes very clear. If you want to enjoy premium features and the superior driving experience that comes with Tesla's more established vehicles, you should consider buying the Model Y now. On the other hand, if you do not mind giving up some extra features, design details, and top performance, then waiting for the Tesla Model 2 is the smarter option. Tesla is planning to officially start sales of the Model 2 in the first quarter of the year 2026, right after the big November event. Welcome to AMP Drive, the place where we explore the most exciting Tesla news, future technology, and innovations that are shaping the world of electric cars. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe right now and join our growing community. We have just crossed 1,000 subscribers, and I want to personally thank every single one of you. Your support means a lot. Now, let us return to the Tesla Model 2. A lot of new leaks about this car have appeared in recent weeks, and many of them are truly surprising. The big question on everyone's mind is simple: is the Model 2 really as good as it sounds, or is Tesla cutting too much to reach that shockingly low price tag of $15,990? What exactly has Elon Musk decided to remove or simplify? You might be very surprised by the answer. Tesla has never been known as a budget car brand. Models such as the Model S, the Model X, and even the Model 3 have carried price tags that make people think carefully before buying. Because of this history, the announcement of a Tesla priced at just under $16,000 naturally creates some doubt. Some people believe it could be more of a marketing promise rather than a car that actually delivers. Making a cheap car is not only about using less expensive parts or basic designs. It demands a completely streamlined production system, a reliable supply chain, and cost control down to the smallest detail, even down to the paint on the body. According to some rumors, Tesla even went as far as taking apart a Honda Civic to study how affordable cars are made. Elon Musk realized that the Honda Civic shares the same production lines as some of Honda's more expensive models. That inspired the thought that Tesla could do the same. Reports say that the Tesla Model 2 and Tesla Model Y may be about 80% identical in design, with little to no size difference, and can share production lines. If this is true, it makes sense how Tesla is able to reduce costs while keeping the Model 2 similar to the Model Y. So what exactly makes the Model 2 over 60% cheaper than the Model Y? Recent leaks ahead of the November launch event have almost explained the full picture. As we know, Tesla spends months and sometimes years testing their new models before the official reveal. The Tesla Model 2 has already been spotted many times under camouflage during road testing near Fremont, which is believed to be the factory where the car will be produced instead of Giga, Texas. We also know there are at least 21 key changes in the Model 2 compared to the Model Y, many of them focused on cost cutting. For example, the seats will be made of textile fabric instead of Tesla's vegan leather. These textile seats are less comfortable and harder to clean. The panoramic glass roof has been removed, which makes the interior feel less spacious and less bright. Tesla is using single-layer acoustic glass, which means the car will not be as quiet as the Model Y. Inside the cabin, lighting is reduced to a single color option instead of the customizable ambient system. And Tesla has cut down on the number of speakers, which means the music and movie experience will not be as rich. So again, if you want a premium feel and a more complete Tesla driving experience, the Model Y or the Model 3 is the better option. But if your focus is on price and you do not mind sacrificing some luxury, then the Model 2 will be a game changer. And here is where things become even more interesting. The latest leaks about the Model 2's battery and performance are far better than what many people expected. Originally, Tesla was going to use lithium iron phosphate, or LFP, batteries for the Model 2. These batteries are commonly used in affordable electric cars because they are low cost and perform fairly well. However, new reports suggest Tesla may not use LFP batteries at all. Instead, they are testing a new type called the A1 aluminum-based battery. This is a very bold move because Tesla has always relied on lithium in every battery pack since the beginning. Over the years, they have lowered the amount of lithium used in batteries such as NCA and NMC, but they never removed lithium completely. The price of lithium has been very unstable. Elon Musk himself has said that the price of lithium has gone crazy, even increasing by as much as 5 times in recent years. Because of this, using lithium batteries in a car that is supposed to cost less than $20,000 does not seem realistic. Aluminum, on the other hand, is much cheaper and far more available. Aluminum makes up more than 8% of the Earth's crust, while lithium is less than 1/100%. Aluminum-ion batteries also have several big advantages. First, they can carry more electrical charge. A single aluminum ion carries 3 positive charges, compared to just 1 for lithium. This allows aluminum-ion batteries to deliver much higher energy density, meaning more power in a smaller, lighter pack. Some tests have shown aluminum-ion batteries reaching 500 watt-hours per kilogram, which is about double what current lithium-ion batteries can achieve. For the Model 2, Tesla is expected to use a battery pack between 50 kilowatt-hours and 55 kilowatt-hours. That is smaller than the packs in the Model 3 and Model Y, but thanks to the higher energy density, the Model 2 is predicted to reach a driving range of around 260 miles. There could even be 2 versions, a rear-wheel drive model and a long-range all-wheel drive version. The second big advantage is cost. Aluminum-ion batteries are cheaper to produce than LFP batteries. Estimates suggest that a 50 kilowatt-hour aluminum-ion pack could be about $2,000 less expensive than an LFP pack. With Tesla aiming to build millions of Model 2 units every year, those savings could add up to billions of dollars and help Tesla offer the car at its target price while still making a profit. Another major advantage is charging speed. Some tests have shown aluminum-ion batteries capable of charging at speeds of up to 1,000 kilowatts. In real-world terms, this could mean charging a Tesla Model 2 battery to 80% in just 10 to 15 minutes. That would make it one of the fastest charging electric cars in the world and solve one of the biggest concerns for people thinking about switching to an electric car. The fourth advantage is durability. Aluminum-ion batteries have been tested to last for 10,000 charging cycles, which equals about 20 years of use. In comparison, most lithium-ion batteries last for around 3,500 cycles, or 7 years. This means lower replacement costs and a longer overall life for the car. Finally, aluminum-ion batteries are much safer. They use a stable liquid electrolyte that does not catch fire, even when damaged. They can work safely from 5 degrees Celsius all the way to 85 degrees Celsius, which makes them suitable for nearly all climates. Of course, no technology is perfect. Aluminum-ion batteries lose performance in extremely cold weather, especially below -20 degrees Celsius, where range and charging speed can both drop by 10 to 20%. Tesla will need to find solutions for this problem if it wants the Model 2 to succeed worldwide. Even with these challenges, the potential is clear. Tesla has found a way to combine smart design, bold cost-cutting, and breakthrough battery technology to create a car that could change the future of affordable electric vehicles. At the end of the day, the Tesla Model may 2 look like a simplified version of the Model Y. But that is not necessarily a bad thing. Most people are not buying this car for a brand new design. They are buying it because of the price, the efficiency, and the chance to own a Tesla for less than $16,000. So, would you be willing to give up some premium features for that low price? And what design details do you want to see in the Model 2? Share your thoughts in the comments. And once again, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our next deep dive into Tesla and the future of electric cars. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon.